You might be thinking cybercriminals won't attack you personally or your organization. After all, they only go for the big fish. Or you might be thinking you're well protected from cybercrime. But are you really? I'm Daniel Burrus, and on my next Conversations with the Masters, I've invited John Cilio, who will share cyber protection strategies for you and your business. John is a Harvard grad and a successful entrepreneur who lost his $1 million startup, his wealth, and 2 years of his life from cybercrime. Since then, John has spent the better part of 2 decades sharing highly earned wisdom as a cybersecurity expert, award-winning author, 60 Minutes guest, and he's an amazing keynote speaker. John specializes in the human element of cybersecurity, and his clients range from the Pentagon to Amazon to a wide variety of organizations of all sizes. His mission is to keep others from becoming the next disastrous data breach headline. Join us live on Tuesday, April 30th, and learn cyber protection strategies for you and your business. Click the link to join my Anticipatory Leader membership and register today. We'll see you then.